Hey, what's up, family? It's Josh Carter, your guide to smarter money moves and financial freedom. Today, we're diving into something that's changing the financial world: artificial intelligence, or AI, and how it's shaking up personal finance. We're talking AI-powered budgeting, smart investing bots, and even tools that can predict how markets might move. This isn't science fiction. This is real, and it's happening right now. So let's break it down and learn how to use these tools to grow your money and make your life easier. Before we start, subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Now let's go. Part 1. What is AI and why does it matter? Alright, first things first. What exactly is AI? AE stands for artificial intelligence, which means a computer or machine that can think like a human. It can learn, analyze data, make decisions, and even improve over time. You already use AI every day, like when Netflix recommends a movie, or when your phone finishes your sentence. But now AI is helping people make smarter money choices. Why does this matter for you? Because AI is fast, smart, and doesn't sleep. It can handle things that used to take hours in seconds. Part 2. AI and budgeting. Let's start with budgeting, the foundation of financial success. A lot of people struggle to make or stick to a budget. That's where AI budgeting apps come in. These apps don't just track your spending, they learn from it. Here's what they can do. A. Analyze your habits, like how much you spend on food or subscriptions. B. Suggest smarter ways to save. C. Warn you if you're about to overspend. D. Create a custom plan based on your goals. Apps like Clio, Rocket Money, and YNAB use AI to give you real-time coaching, not just numbers. It's like having a money coach in your pocket 24/7. Why it matters: these tools help you avoid small leaks that drain your wallet and keep you focused on your goals. Part 3. AI and investing. Now let's talk about the big leagues: investing. AI is changing the investment game with tools like 1. Robo-advisors. Companies like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to manage your investments based on A. Your goals, your risk level. C. Your timeline. You tell it what you want, and the AI creates a portfolio. It also automatically adjusts your investments as the market changes. You don't need to be a stock market genius. The AI handles the details. 2. AI trading bots. These are programs that actually trade stocks, crypto, or other assets using complex data and patterns. They watch the market 24/7, spotting trends humans miss. Some even use machine learning, which means they get better the more they trade. Now, before you get too excited, trading bots aren't magic. They can make mistakes, but they give you an edge, especially when paired with human strategy. 3. Predictive analytics. AI can analyze huge amounts of financial data and give predictions about market trends. It looks at A. News headlines, B. Historical prices, C. Social media chatter, and then says, hey, this stock might go up or down. It's not perfect, but it helps investors make smarter, faster decisions. Bottom line, AI is leveling the playing field. You no longer need a Wall Street broker to build wealth. You just need smart tools and the right mindset. Part 4. AI and savings optimization. Okay, what about saving money? Believe it or not, AI can help you save without thinking. Here's how. 1. Automatic saving apps. Apps like Digit and Capital use AI to figure out how much you can afford to save and then move that money automatically. Let's say your paycheck just hit. The AI checks your bills, spending, and history. Then it moves $10 or $25 to savings without hurting your budget. You don't feel it, but your savings grow fast. 2. Smart goal planning. You tell the app what you want to save for, say a trip, an emergency fund, or a new laptop, and the AI creates a plan. It even sends reminders and gives little rewards to keep you on track. This is big, especially for people who struggle to save consistently. You don't need willpower, just smart tech. Part 5. AI in credit monitoring and debt management. Let's talk about another key area: credit and debt. AI tools are now helping people build credit and get out of debt faster. A. Apps like Credit Karma use AI to analyze your credit report and give you custom tips to raise your score. B. AI-powered debt managers like Tally can figure out the best way to pay off multiple credit cards, saving you time and interest. So, C. Some AI tools even negotiate bills for you, getting lower rates or better payment plans. These tools take a lot of the stress out of managing debt and can speed up your journey to financial freedom. Part 6. AI and financial planning. Let's zoom out for a second. AI doesn't just help with day-to-day money. It can also help with long-term planning like retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. Smart Planners AI financial planners take everything into account. A. Your income. B. Your debts. C. Your goals. D. Your timeline. Then they build a step-by-step plan for you. Some even update the plan automatically when something changes, like a new job or a big expense. Virtual financial coaches. Some companies now offer AI financial coaches that you can text or chat with. They answer your questions, give advice, and track your progress. It's like having a financial advisor, but way more affordable and always available. Why this matters: AI is making high-quality financial planning available to everyone and not just the rich. Part 7. The risks and warnings. Now, I've got to keep it real. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Here are a few things to watch out for. A. Data privacy. These tools collect a lot of your personal info. Make sure they use encryption and follow safety rules. B. Over-reliance. Don't let the AI do all the thinking. Use it as a tool, not a replacement for common sense. C. Scams. Be careful with AI trading bots or apps that promise huge returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your research before connecting your money to any platform. Part 8. How to start using AI in your finances. Alright, so how can you get started with AI tools in your personal finances? Here's a simple game plan. 1. Pick a budgeting app. Try Clio or Rocket Money to get smart insights on your spending. 2. Try a robo-advisor. Start with Betterment or Wealthfront, and even if it's just $50. 3. Use a smart savings app. Set up Digit or Capital to save money in the background. 4. Track your credit with AI. Use Credit Karma or Experian Boost to manage your credit score. 5. Keep learning. Watch how these tools work. Ask questions. Adjust as you grow. The goal isn't to become a robot. It's to use smart tech to support your goals. So there you have it. A deep dive into how AI is transforming personal finance. From smarter budgeting and investing to easier savings and planning, AI is helping regular people like you and me take control of our money like never before. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly money tips, and drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're excited to try. Remember, wealth doesn't come from working harder, it comes from working smarter. And AI? That's one of the smartest tools out there. I'm Josh Carter, and as always, don't just work for money, make money work for you. Peace.